Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about decision making structure in C++. You know that we are learning 5 programming language in one course. We have discussed decision making structure in Python, JavaScript, C Sharp and PHP. Now in this video lecture how you can work with decision making structure in C++. These are different types of that will be covered in this video lecture. Just open a dash C++ in which I will show you how you can work with decision making structure in C++. In dash C++, just create a new file and copy its basic structure. Save this one. This is chapter 06 and then decision making. Now remove this line of code. And then what I have to do, I have to work with decision making structure. Just I have to copy if statement. How you can work with decision making structure in C++. Just I have to change PHP into C++. So each and everything is okay. Just I want to copy from JavaScript code because not from JavaScript, also I want to copy from C Sharp. Just I have to copy this line of code, paste into here. So just remove this line of code. If statement, this is the if statement basic structure. Each and everything is okay. Now what I have to make changes. So this is the method of declaring and initializing variable in C++. Int marks value is 61. If marks greater than 90, then this message I want to display cout. This message should be display. Remove this parenthesis and then just compile and then run this code. You can see that nothing to displaying here because condition is false. When condition is become true, then A grade should be display. A grade is displaying here, if you can see. Now if else statement. For if else statement, what you have to do, just copy this line of code and paste here and make this comment, and then with proper code style just you have to provide a else part cout fail. So at the end you have to put a semicolon. If this condition become true, this statement will be displayed. If this condition become false, then this message should be displayed here. Just save this one and then compile and run. A grade is displaying here. In case when marks value is not greater than 90, then fail should be displayed here. Fail is displaying here. Now what I have to do, I have to work on nested if statement. For nested if statement, already I have discussed in previous classes. Just copy this line of code and then in dash C++, what changes do you have to make? Nested if statement. Just int x value is 6. If divisible by 2, then again check if divisible by 3, then this message I want to display, but we have to write a cout and remove this parenthesis and then remove this also, and then again run. Number is divisible by 2 and 3 because x value is 6. Already we have discussed in detail. I want to skip this one explanation, just move to another one, that is a if else statement. Just copy this line of code, copy and paste here. Just Make, remove these comments. Each and everything is okay. Just what I have to do, already declare initialize this marks variable, and then I want to say that if marks greater than 90, then this message should be displayed. But uh, with a cout, because I am using C++ for C++, we have to use a cout method for output anything else. Just remove this line of code, paste here. So all the console.writeLine you have to change into cout method, because we use a C++ cout method for output function. Also for this last console.writeLine, and then save. And then what you have to do, for example, marks value is 61, 71 in this case, 71. What I want to say that if marks uh, greater than 90, A grade, A1 grade should be displayed. If marks greater than 80, B grade should be displayed. If marks greater than 70, C grade should be displayed. In this case, our marks greater than 70, then I want to say that C grade should be displayed. C grade is displaying here. Now what I have to do, I have to make comment. Just I want to check that whether it is working or not, because their detailed description we have discussed in previous classes. Now what I have to do, I have to copy switch statement. Just I will change this into C++ code, paste here, nothing to display. Just you have to change this, sorry, this will be a string, and then only you have to change this into cout. Each and everything is okay, as we have discussed in previous class in C#. If you are facing some issue, you have to watch previous classes. If you are watching our course with a proper sequence from very first video, then there is no issue for you to understanding in concept. Each and everything will be clear. So don't watch our video course randomly order. So watch our video course with a proper sequence, then each and everything will be clear. Now what I have to next, this is switch statement. Just change console.writeLine into cout, and then a variable declaration initialization is same. Compile. Switch is not this, so you can use in switch statement when used in C++, you can use char or int. In this case, char or int, for example, this is a 1. I won't say that. I want to use a int. Same int. If int n value is 1, remember this one. Case 1. Case 1 means that if n value is 1, I want to say that this statement should be displayed. If n value is 2, then this message should be displayed. If n value is, for example, 4, this message should be displayed. And then if it is not matching with any case, this message should be displayed. Compile. You can see that one value of n is displaying here. In this case, when I change this value into another value, you can see that not matching with any case. Then compile and run, not matching is displaying here. So this is switch statement in C++. You can work with integer and char in C++ switch. So if you have any problem, any confusion while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.